Hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on top fan badges on your Facebook page. Okay, let's go to the video. First you need to switch from your Facebook profile to your Facebook profile page. Here I have already switched to my profile page. You can click on your profile icon, then you can switch between your profile and your profile page. Okay, now let's see how to turn on these top fan badges. Click on your profile icon on the top right side. Then you can see settings and privacy. Click on that. Then click on settings. Here you can see on the top left side new page experience. Click on that. Then you can see in the bottom left side menu Facebook badges. Click on that. Here you can see Facebook badges. Turn on top fan badges, so you need to switch on this button. Okay, also it says you can remove a follower's top fan badge anytime. That's how you can turn on top fan badges on your Facebook profile page. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.